appreciate you. It's absolutely suppressed at its current price. So because of the dynamics that are available in the market, this is what allows them to do it. They can buy over the OTC desk in the dark pools, and that volume doesn't move across the exchanges and therefore doesn't impact price. And they can sell onto the open market to drive the price down. So, the whole market cap of crypto is $3 trillion, less than $3 trillion. It doesn't take a whole lot of money to move markets in crypto. Large institutions manipulate the market all the time. I think that you guys will think it's for the better when they manipulate it up, but when they're manipulating it down, they're doing so that they can buy at lower prices. And so for the ETFs, great, yeah, they're accumulating more at lower price points. And the more money that flows into the ETF, the more XRP they can accumulate before it does appreciate, right? That will continue to drive demand for XRP outside of, the ETFs. That'll be another structured company acquiring more XRP, raising debt and doing other things to be able to deploy that into DeFi protocols and seed other things on chain. They'll be able to, sell on the exchanges, buy through the OTC desk, and accumulate more until the OTC desk and dark pools dry up and there's not enough there for them to purchase, or there's more demand than what's available, and the volume has to move to exchanges. We'll continue to see the price, being pushed down. They'll drive demand and they'll push the price substantially higher in a very short period of time. At least that's my thesis. Apparently, close to 200 million of that was moved out of that wallet and sold onto the market. So that's XRP, not dollar value. So that's also, some sell pressure onto the market that causes the price to stay down. But I do think, once they uncap that and flip it around the other way, it'll be very similar to silver. There was a lot of people that know that JP Morgan and many other people were naked shorting silver and spoofing the market for an extended period of time. They still do it. And that's how they make a bunch of money, and there's fines. They get slapped on the wrist, but they make so much money doing it that it doesn't really matter to them. They don't even get fined in crypto at this point for doing it because there's really no regulatory body that sits over them that makes sure that there's not manipulation in the market.